Hey guys, this is Cody from Jack Does Films. Me and Jack decided to do a combined channel, so I'm Cody, like the co-host person. So, anyways, today I'm doing a review on the Leatherman skeletool. So on the outside you got your little clip thingy there for your belt, your pants. Then you got a carabiner to hook onto shit. Then you see that the bottle opener side, so hold that down and then bring it up to get the thing off, the cap off. Then you got a little one-handed opening, half serrated, half fine edge knife. Grab some this paper, test it out. Oh crap, I don't know if you guys can see that. There you go. Alright, so it's pretty sharp. I just wasn't cutting on a good angle. Okay, so that has a locking mechanism, so just push that in and shut it. So open it up now. You got your long nose, needle nose pliers, and you got your normal pliers, and you got your wire cutters. You got a Phillips head screwdriver that, if you press the little button thing there, comes out, and you can swap it for a more finer Phillips head screwdriver. What else is there? Open up this side. If you can see that, yeah, I can see that. So let's just get that out for you. Show you. If you get that out, it's a like a flathead screwdriver fitting. Just pops out like that. So is that all? Yep, that's pretty much it. So yeah, that's the Leatherman skeletool. A pretty lightweight tool with the one hand opening, half serrated, half fine edge blade. It's pretty sharp. And yeah, so I'm Cody from Jack Does Films. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like his videos and check out some other videos. So yeah, see yous.